3 times a day. When I started tapping, I just set an intention that before every meal, I would go to the bathroom and I would tap for just a few minutes. I would clear the decks of some of the things that were building up inside my body. And whether you do it when you wake and when you have an afternoon break and before bedtime, whatever it is, if you want relief, the key is to show your body and your energy and your mind that there's relief possible. Relief, as in, I'm getting more and more tense and stressed out about this, but actually I can go back the other way. As soon as your body gets that sense that it can reverse a tension, it takes the suffering out of the pain that is a natural part of being a human. And it gives you relief at your fingertips. Your body will start asking for tapping when it needs it because it knows there's relief there. So, how do you do that? One question to ask is, what am I reacting to right now? So, you take a break and you say, what am I reacting to right now? Oh, him or them or what I just read or this next item on my to do list. You just tune in with your awareness. What am I reacting to right now? Where am I feeling that in my body? It can be anywhere. You can feel your jaw tension. You can feel a pain in the neck. You can feel it in your low back, in a knee, in a big toe. Just take a moment. Reacting to them. Let's just say it's a person. Where am I noticing it? Oh, and how intense does it feel? 0 to 10. It's useful to give it a number. As imperfect as that number may be, it's useful to give it a number because it lets your another part of your brain track this. And this is how you might tap. Even though I'm reacting to them, and repeat after me and tap along, side of the hand. Even though I am reacting to them, and I feel what? Angry, frustrated, like you want to get away, whatever it is. I accept who I am and how I feel. Even though I'm reacting to them and it's building up stress in my body, I would really love to unwind this right now. Over the top of the head. I'm reacting to them. Eyebrow. It's making me feel frustrated. Side of the eye. It's making me feel angry. Under the eye. I'm feeling so stressed as I react to them. Under the nose. This is not a good look for me. Chin. Of course I'm reacting to them. Collarbone. And it's also okay for me to unwind right now. To take some of the stress off. Under the arm. I invite my body to let go of some of this reaction right now. I take a deep breath and allow my body to unwind. Maybe shake out your hand. One of the things I'd like you to notice again is that not only is tapping very forgiving, it's also very flexible. You can tune into, I'm feeling stressed about this work. I'm feeling stressed about this work. I'm feeling stressed about my deadline. I'm feeling stressed about my deadline. Of course, I'm feeling stressed about my deadline. Oh, and it's okay to unwind a bit of this stress. I'm inviting my body to feel more grounded and confident as I let go of this stress. I'm going back into my day with more a sense of empowerment, even if just a little bit. The words don't matter as much as that you're sending the signal through the tapping points. You're tuning in to something that you're reacting to that you could use some relief around. Again, reactions bring stress and tension, and this type of work can bring unwinding and relief, relief, relief. Doing that 3 times a day, just for those few minutes, really teaches your whole body that there's relief possible. You're using honesty. I'm reacting to them, and you're using in a kind of direction to where you want the energy, calm, confident, unwinding, letting go of the stress, whatever is right for you to say to give your energy a direction. And then maybe yawning, shaking out your hands, rubbing your chest. Making this a part of your daily routine can really bring you relief and takes the edge off of the suffering that comes from having tensions build up over and over and over again without any relief brought to them, without any attention, without any soothing. And now you're changing that. Congratulations.